In today's video, I'm sharing with you a new welcome series that is currently exploding for managed clients. And you see these type of results, 3x revenue in less than 30 days from 2,400 bucks to 7,500 bucks a week from the welcome series. And I'm also going to share with you step-by-step guides and templates and everything that I have for you ready right here on how you can do exactly the same for your e-commerce store to see the same type of results. Links are going to wait for you in the description down below. Now, if you are new to this channel, in this channel, I'll share what worked, what didn't work, and what we're actively doing to scale DTC brands with email and SMS marketing, and all in the pursuit of finding top-tier talents, new opportunities, and growing my network. If you like this type of content and you are looking to grow your email marketing channels, subscribe to this channel, like, and leave any questions in the comment section. So let's jump right in. The old school way of doing this is the first thing, and then the Hormozi way of doing this, guys. So this entire system was actually adapted from Alex Hormozi's Welcome Series. He made this for B2B, and then I literally took it and said, let's try it for my business, B2B, but then maybe try it as well for B2C. And these are the results that you just saw. So I'm happy that it actually worked. If it does work for you as well after you try, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you like, and let's jump in now. So first thing first, the old school way of doing your welcome series. So the welcome series, why does it even matter, right? The welcome series, just a real quick thing before that, I almost forgot. What makes the welcome series so special? So if this is your e-commerce funnel, right? You have different pages, homepage, category page, product page, checkout page, and then somebody makes a sale. The homepage where the pop-up and the welcome series are, this is the widest part. So you're gonna have a lot more people visiting your homepage, signing up on your pop-up and getting the welcome series than people, for example, at the checkout page. You see it's much narrower. This is a lot wider. That's why the welcome series typically for most stores that I ever audited is the number one or top three revenue generators in terms of how much money it brings their store. That's why you want to treat the welcome series super, 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 with hands of gold. You want to make sure it's as tight and as the best as it could be. All right. So that's why this old school way of doing the welcome series, you might resonate, is typically sending emails, maybe 3, 4, 5, 8, one day apart. So somebody signs up on your pop-up, and then you send them immediately email number 1. Maybe they buy, maybe they didn't. You wait one day if they didn't, and you send him email number 2. If they didn't buy, you wait one day, send him email number 3. Then again, wait again, one day, send email 4. Wait again, one day, send email 5. What's wrong with this? Today, in today's landscape, people are bombarded with emails. There's a lot more emails than 5 years ago and even 1 year ago. Everybody and their mom are sending emails today. So there's nothing special with your email, right? It doesn't really stand out. So what you can do, instead of just relying on one email apart, what Hormozi at least said, is going a lot more aggressive. Now, hear me out. The Hormozi way of doing things is 4 emails in 3 hours. Somebody signs up, they get an email. If they did not convert, you send them email 2, 1 hour later. And then again, they didn't convert, they didn't buy, because that's the whole purpose of the welcome series. Somebody needs to make their first purchase. So if they didn't buy, you send them another email and another email 1 hour apart. So I'm going to share with you the exact sequence in a second, but that's essentially what it is. It's a lot more aggressive. Then if they didn't buy, you send them email 5, 6, and 7, 2 days apart, and then more emails down the line, which I'll share with you in a second. So this sequence is what actually got us to this result, right? From 2,400 bucks a week to 7,600 bucks. And the reason why I show you this on a weekly basis is because I don't even have 1 month data for this client. We just literally rolled it out, and you see how aggressive and how useful this is, right? Because at the time of making this video is August 31st. I took this screenshot yesterday, and this was actually taken 2 weeks ago. Okay, so this screenshot is from August 1st to August 8th. So you see how reliable a new sequence could actually be for your store. And all you need if you want that is 2 things, 2 links that I share with you if you want the same results for your store. Step number 1, you want to take this entire doc, right, 43730, and copy this, Command A, so you select everything, Control or Command A, and then Command C, you want to copy this, take your favorite AI tool, I use ChatGPT, drop it in here, and then at the top here, you want to write, please adapt this welcome series for my brand. And then I want to write for Graza, the olive oil company. I really like them lately. And then second thing is the second step. You want to take this copy table. this is our copy table. We want to take this bottom one, okay? And you want to go to AI, and you want to have it basically, please fit it inside of this winning email format, okay? And then you want to drop this right here, and ba-boom, bada-bim. You want to basically see the magic happens. If you don't have a copywriter, this can really help you to write the copy a lot quicker. So here we go, header, subheader, welcome to Graza, 2 call to actions, here's email 2. So it's the how, what, why, how, and how to get started emails. Maybe some of them need some tweaks. Like I think this one, the how, we made olive oil simpler. Maybe instead of how, like the 2 bottles, you can also talk about how it's made. You know, that could be interesting. Maybe again, you want to push the discount code instead of just saying, see how easy it is. Okay, maybe see how easy it is with 10% off. You want to change some things, which you actually can talk to the AI and you can ask anything. But that's how simple it is. You can literally make yourself a new welcome series, ask your designers to basically help you out, and you're good to go. Okay, so that was it, guys. This is actually the end of the video. Video 1 out of 89 videos that I committed myself to make before Black Friday, because we have 89 days before the biggest sales season, sales, event of the year, Black Friday, Cyber Monday. You want to make sure you prep. This year has been very challenging with email marketing, a lot more spam traps, a lot more restrictions, a lot more laws and rules. So you want to make sure that you are prepared to make bank this year. All right. If you have any questions, again, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. See you later. Peace.